Hello everybody, thank you very much for joining me again. I have iPhone 12 Pro. You can see the screen is broken and the display is totally damaged. You can see the pixels are dead. So let's take out the bottom screws first and put the plying soft knife, lift a little bit up from all edges so you can easily remove the screen from the body. So then you need to remove this 1, 2, 3, 4 screws on the top connection, which is earpiece, which is connecting to the motherboard. So those are the two are done. This is the third one. So let's take out the bottom screws. I mean the bottom plate, metal plate screws. So there are a couple of screws when you remove those. So let's remove the metal plate and disconnect the battery first. And this is the other metal plate I'm removing right now. So disconnect the earpiece from the motherboard. This is the one connector, be careful, and this is the other one. So only these three connectors you will find on the screen. Just make sure. I think there is some glass thing or maybe something is inside. No, everything is okay. So let's take out I found the one screw, and let's take out, this is the one screw and this is the other one. So two screws were already open, so I just opened one and everything is good to go. So let's bring the new screen. This is the new screen and it has two connectors. Make sure connector is not broken before install the LCD. So let's put the earpiece with the sensor. It will go into those grooves, and put this. You need a Y screwdriver for those screws. Sorry, no, couple of Phillips, and the one is the Y one. So just use those, tie the screw, and as you know, this is the iPhone, one of the easiest repair of those kind of iPhones. So here we go, the screen is ready. Let's put back to motherboard, and by the way, this is Uncut video. So I have connected the earpiece to the motherboard, and this is the other one, and this is the second connector. So these all connectors are connected. Let's connect the battery, bring this metal piece back, and now I need to put the screw on it to hold intact. Perfect. So this is the first screw has been done. So now this is second one. Yeah, it is giving me a little hard time, but yeah, I think it's look like okay. This is the third one. Here we go. The top metal plate screw is done because there were only 3 screws on the top. So now I need to put a couple of more screws on the bottom connector. Here we go. This is the one, and this is second one. Perfect. So the both connectors are connected with the screw with the metal plate. Let's turn on. It shows the Apple logo, which means it's turning on. The while it's turning on, let's put the screen, little push, and it will sit itself. It has a hinges, it will go there. So put the bottom screws. Everything is just tight the screws. Make sure everything is working before close. So when you check the touch screen, make sure the screen is properly working. And if you like that video, thumbs up. And if you want me to repair some kind of cell phone, let me know in the comments. Share with your friends. See you in the next video.